Trackside Mike down in SmithFalls with
You got the Bub 031.
Bubs. What do you think of this day so far?
Oh, I've been enjoying it there. Like, this is actually, it's been quite a while to actually see so many trains just coming through this area because, well, usually it's dead, like you only get 1 or 2 a day, but I'm surprised at how much has come through that we have caught.
I've lost count. I think we're over 15 anyways. 10.
At least around 12 passengers and 4 to 5 freights.
Yeah.
And more coming.
More coming. Phenomenal day.
Motor stop, SmithFalls. Clear to slowly advance, Railfanning forward.
Anything else you want to add there, Bubs?
Pretty much. Just everyone, just make sure your signal's green and keep moving down the line.
Till then, keep it on the tracks.